In this video, we will be looking at the time module in Python. We'll see how to use time module to work with time-related functions in Python. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCraft. We can learn code fastly and efficiently. So I'll be making a simple Python file here. I'll name it time_module.py. The first thing is that we have to import the time module in order to use it, so I will simply import the time module. So now what actually the time module do? The time module is used to work with the time related functions such as getting the current time, formatting time, measuring time intervals, and much more. You can use the time module to do different things related to the time in Python. So the first function that I will show you is the simply print here, and the first function is time.Time function. Now this function returns the current time in the second, since the epoch is a floating point number. So I will simply run this. Now you can see a number has been returned. So if you don't know what the junk epoch is, so I will simply give a short overview of this. So epoch is the time start of the time measurement. It is usually defined as the 1st January 1970 or 71, I don't know. So if you want to know more about the epoch, so you can go to the Google and go search on it about the epoch. So anyway, so I will tell you how to format this, how to convert this second into formatted time using the time module. So here I will simply comment this, and the another function of time module is simple. I will time underscore in underscore seconds is equal to time.time, and I will show you how to convert these seconds to formatted time using the time module function. So I'll simply print and time.cTime. This is the function in time module that is used to convert these seconds into formatted time. Here I will simply give the time in second. So you have to give the seconds here, and this will convert into formatted string. So I will simply run this. So here you can see it converted into formatted time, Tuesday, March 5, and the time and the year. Here you can see it's converted. So this is how you can use it. So the another function is if you want to convert a seconds, so convert seconds into a UTC time, so you can use a function GMT time function. This is used to convert the U seconds since the epoch into UTC time. So example here I will take is print GMT time, and now here you see convert seconds since the epoch.time tuple expressing UTC, and here you see when the second is not fast in, convert the current time instead. So the second did not fast here, so it will convert the current time instead. So if I simply run this, now here you can see a struct time object has returned. Now this struct time, or also you can see the time tuple here is returned, and now I'll show you in a moment. How to format this struct time object into formatted time. So don't worry about that. So this is how it returns the struct time object. So here if you want to retrieve the single values from this, for example I will retrieve tm underscore week of the day. Now this will retrieve the week of the day. So here I simply run this. So you can see it returned 1 because the week of it starts from 0 to 6. 0 is Monday and 1 is Tuesday. So this is how it returned it. So this time is in the UTC for UTC time. So here's how you turn it. So then another method is that if you want to convert a time in second to a strict time in local time zone, you can use the local time function to do that. So I'll simply print time dot local time here, and now it says the convert time seconds since the epoch to a time tuple expressing the local time, and when the second is not first in, this will assume the current time instead. So if you don't first the second, this will assume the current time. Here you can see a time struct time object, or also you can say the time tuple has been returned. So here in this the year 2024 to 2024, and month, day of the month, hour and minute, etc. Is available in the struct time object. So this is how you can use the local time function. So another function is, if you want to convert a struct time object like this into the seconds since the epoch, you can use I don't know the correct pronunciation of epoch or epoch, I don't know, so whatever is it. So I will simply print here the function which is used to convert the struct time into the seconds since the epoch is empty time, and now you have to pass the seconds here, sorry, the struct object here. So I'll simply pass the time dot local time, which return a struct object. So I simply run this. So you can see it simply convert the struct object into the seconds since the epoch, or whatever you pronounce it. So the another function is pretty simple, which is used to sleep the program. Yes, and this is used to sleep the program, and you to give the second as an argument. So if I want to sleep the program for the 2 seconds, you can use this function. So I'll simply run this, and for the demonstration I'll simply print a line here, program awaked, and I will also print here program sleep. Now I will simply run this. Here you can see program sleep. After this 2 seconds, program will be awaked. So here's how you can use it. You can use the time for sleep function. The another function is pretty simple, which is used to convert a time tuple or struct time representing the time to a string representing the local time. So the function is pretty simple. I will simply print here, and I will use the time dot ESC time function. Now this function is used to convert a tuple or struct time object, or you can also say time tuple to a string representing the local time. So simply it says when the time tuple is not present, current time is returned as the local by local time. So here if I simply run this, so here you can see now if I give the time dot local time, which obviously is used at by default if we don't give this. So if I simply run this, so you can see it simply format the time and gives a string representing the local time. So this is how you can use it. So the another function is, as I said, I will tell you about the function which you can use to format the struct object into formatted time. So here is the function. I will simply make a variable formatted time equal to, and I will simply say time dot strf time, and the first argument will be the time with the format you want the time to be in. So the first I want the year. For this you have to type %sign and y for year. Now I will use the dash. You can also use the colon, you can also use the double dash, whatever you want for the formatted time. So I will use the dash, and I will simple say %, and I will also say after the year I will say the month, and after the month I will say the day, and give a space, or instead of space I will use this. So I will alt Z, and so the next thing will be hour, and after the hour minute, and after the minute it will be second. So now here the second argument with the struct object you want to format it. So I'll simply here go here and say time dot GMT time, which simply converts seconds since the epoch to time, and when the second is not first in, so here is how it convert the current, it assume the current time instead. So I'll simply run this. Now here it say invalid format string. So here what will I have to do? I have simply capital this, and you can see the error has been removed. So now the thing is I will simply print this format underscore time. So I'll simply run. So here you can see the as I want the time, it printed as I want it. So there are other methods as well, but I think you will be using these methods the most. So I hope this video really helps you, and if you have any question you can comment me in the comment section. So thanks for watching the video.